Welcome to the project demonstration of power generation from exhaust gases. So here we are going to generating the exhaust gas instead of bikes. Like we are using this blower. So the blower will blow the air with a speed of 13,000 RPM motor, which is there inside this blower, which is operated 230 volts. That air blower air was travel all along with this through this silencer, and it will be concentrated here. The concentrated air will be fall on this turbine. So the turbine attached to the DC dynamo, which is of 20 watts of power, 12 volts generator attached backside of this setup. Right. So it has with gearbox also. So the gearbox ratio is it will convert the 2400 RPM to 1000. So in reverse, 1000 rotations per minute will be converted into 2400. That is 1000 is 2400 is a gear ratio from input to the output of this gearbox. Then that was attached to the 2400 RPM generator, and that generator voltage will be given as main input to this our circuit. So coming to this circuit, so in the circuit we have provided with voltage sensor first, and from this voltage sensor the voltage is given as input to our microcontroller to measure the voltage, how much of we are generating voltage, and based on that it will give the pulses to our boost converter. So this is a boost converter, so it's getting the voltage from the same parallelly generated voltage to the regulated power supply. The main purpose of this one is whenever the high voltage is generating, it is limiting the input voltage. That output from this regulated power supply board is input to our boost converter. So the boost converter will boost it up to voltage of around 3 times, maybe it's maximum 3 times from the input voltage. So the microcontroller will measure the voltage from the generator directly, and it will give the pulses from these wires to the MOSFET, and it will measure the voltage same parallelly from this cable to the microcontroller, how much of voltage is boosted apart of the input voltage. These two voltages will be displayed continuously on the LCD screen, and parallelly we are going to provide the boosted voltage to the battery. So coming to the battery, so we are using 3 battery packs. Each battery pack consists of 3 4-volt 1 amp batteries are connected in series. So we'll get 12 volt 1 amp, 12 volt 1 amp and 12 volt 1 amp. So that we'll get directly 12 volts 3 amps of power will be stored in this batteries. And also we are provided one more alternative charger. So we can charge this with the help of transformer. Just by connecting the transformer at this slot to 30 volts input. So it will provide us the right. So when you switch on that, there will be light indication, and while we generating the voltage also there will be light indication on this charger, and this charger is for to charge from 230 volts input, and this transformer will step down the 230 volts AC to 12 volts AC. On this regulated power supply board there will be a rectifier which will convert the 12 volts AC to 12 volts DC, and after this capacitor we will get pure DC voltage that is sufficient to charge our same battery. So means in this project we are going to charge this battery with dynamo, which is from this exhaust power generation, and also from the transformer. So after that, the battery is fully charged, we can utilize that to the inverter purpose. So directly we can use that to the inverter. So here we are designed an inverter which is convert 12 volts DC to 230 volts AC, and that will be utilized for the AC load. Let us see the demonstration. So after make the connections, we need to connect this generator cable at this shown slots, and connect the exhaust blower. So if you want to charge a battery from the transformer, it will take maximum of 12 hours. So till the 12 hours duration we are not supposed to switch off the charger. Right. Okay, so let us see the demonstration directly. So we can see there is a light indication for charging one. In order to see the voltage, the main on off switch. So the input voltage from the generator is 6 volts, and booster voltage is maximum of 15 volts. So we can see the charging light also. Whenever we switch on that, when the dynamo is rotating, we can see the light indication.